great day out there. Comment down below and tell me how you are. If you don't know who I am, my name is Tori. And if you would like to join this wonderful YouTube family we have, hit that red button. Everybody is so sweet. It's great. I'm here with what I love to show. And that is the Dollar Tree. Thumbs up if you like the Dollar Tree. Hit that thumbs up button if you love it. Okay, let's show some boring stuff first. You want to get that out of the way? Okay, so I have the kids' crest. My kids were just out of it, so we picked that up. And then let's see, some standard, these princess, like rinse cups. We were out. And I love anything Disney, so of course I had to get the princess ones. I don't even know if my daughters care as much about having the princess ones as I do, but I do. Okay. My house is pretty clean for the most part, always. Not tidy, but it's clean. There's always clutter because kids' toys and whatnot. But my mother-in-law's coming tomorrow, so I had to get clean, extra. I'm like double clean, triple clean. Does anybody else do that if their mother-in-law comes? And if you're a mother-in-law, how do you feel about when you go to your in-law's house? Comment down below. Do you think they do this for you or not? Because I totally do. Because I feel like she checks everything. I do. I know she does. I'm telling you. I didn't make my bed one time. We weren't living here. It was in our old house. And I didn't make my bed one time. And I shut the door because I was like, oh, she has no reason to go in my room, right? She comes in with like these clothes on hangers and like, hey, I need to lay these on your bed. Now, none of my kids' beds would do. She wanted it on my bed. And I was like, it's not made. Anyway, sorry, random mother-in-law problems. Hashtag mother-in-law problems. Anyway. I picked up these 20 of the Swiffer Buddies. I use both sides. Flip it over, use both sides, save yourself some money, honestly. But I think these work just as good as the expensive ones. They were out of the Dollar Tree dusters. Normally I buy several boxes of them when they have them, but they didn't have them. So this is the Swiffer brand, which to me works better, but there's only one in it. So I normally buy the Dollar Tree brand. I love these, the Brillo Basics. I don't know how they work out as good. I usually buy the kind in the tub from Target. But when I need them, there they are. They were out of my sponges. There's normally sponges. My store didn't have nothing. They normally have these sponges that's like 8 in a pack, and it's a real tall package. But they didn't have them. I like these though. I've purchased these before. These work great just to scrub the sink and whatnot, dishes. I think that's all the real boring stuff, I guess. I'll show y'all the food I bought. Okay, they had this. I had to pick this up. Strawberry watermelon. This looked just so good to me. I've never tried this. If you have, comment down below and tell me how it is. Because sometimes these are good and then sometimes they're just not. Anyway, I picked up 4 of these white Twix. I bought my husband one for Valentine's Day. We're not real Valentine's-y people, so that was his gift. But he loved them, so I picked up 4 more so he could have those. Here is Fruit by the Foot. This was on an end cap. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And I hadn't had that in forever and just wanted to try it. And this is 1 pack. I bought 2 of these. My daughters love these and carry them for snack at school or in their bags to their activities. But it's the mixed fruit, like Nutri-Grain type bars. And you get 6 in the box. Okay. I bought these for my kids, snacks or lunches to have with their stuff. It's 6 pack. I bought 2 boxes of the little Cheez-It Grips. I love those just to stick in your purse or whatever when you're going. I bought my husband this for Easter, and it looks like it's collapsed on itself. But it's the white chocolate peanut butter egg by Palmer. I just thought it was pretty, and you know, he doesn't really ask for much, so there you go. My daughter has been asking us to take her back to a place called Jellystone, which is it's a campground place in Cave City, Kentucky. If you're not familiar, it's super nice and super clean. And we said, why do you want to go there? Like, why are you wanting to go there so bad? She's like, I want to ride the water slide, and I want them sticks with the rock sugar. And so this is what she meant. And I found them at the Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 packs, and they have 2 in a pack, much cheaper than what we paid at Jellystone. So I'm gonna give those to her from, you know, the Easter Bunny in her basket, and see if that is what she wanted, or if she really wants to go to Jellystone. But she probably does. I bought a can of SpaghettiOs. Just great to have on nights. Better than fast food, in my opinion. So, you know them busy nights. This, because I had a huge migraine the other day. And if y'all haven't seen me commenting or anything, that's why. I got so sick, guys. Huge migraine. I don't like to take medicine. I just don't. Caffeine helps me when I have headaches and migraines, so that's what I think. If you're interested, so I don't even know why I bothered telling that. My niece's birthday is coming up, which I think I mentioned if you watched my hair bow haul. We got her a little card that says, "Look who's 2," and I thought it was so cute. And there it is on the inside, if you can see. Cute card. I always buy my cards at the Dollar Tree. I cannot see paying like $5 for some card. Like, no, not gonna happen in this house. No. I bought her this because I have wrapping paper, but I wanted her to have like a pretty, you know, bow with it. And I thought these were so cute. It's a 2-pack, and they've got little cupcake cutouts on them. Super cute. Love these. My daughter has been loving numbers at school. She says, I love the numbers. She says that. So I bought her these. It's addition and subtraction on that one. And it's Disney. So, I mean, come on. I had to get it. It's Disney. And then this one is just addition. But I think this one, if I remember right, does it have... No, it has a free album download, whatever that means. So there's that book. I picked this up. This is the Color Forms Shimmer and Shine. My daughter loves Shimmer and Shine. These are wonderful to have in the car on like trips and whatnot because they don't mess, they don't stick to anything, and yes, so, and it's $1, so if they lose it, you're kind of cool with them losing it. Okay, my daughter has been wanting colored eggs. So we bought these, which is like the metallic eggs. She really wanted the gold. This one has a gold in it, but it's a larger pack. I'm trying to get ahead of the game because a lot of times either one of my daughter's schools will ask for Easter eggs to be sent for the class. So that's probably where this one will end up going. If not, we'll just use them around here for Easter. I bought my older daughter this. I thought this was so cute. It says as seen on YouTube or something about YouTube. I don't know. But it's an origami dress set. And she loves anything like crafts or drawing or anything like that. And she loves fashion. So it says there's instructions on YouTube. Anyway, so I thought she'd like that. That's going to go in her Easter basket, as well as these cute little notebooks. There's 3 in here. I don't know what the middle one looks like, but that's the other one. And then we have these pencils that I'll probably just give her to carry to school because she loses them, and she loves these grippies. Mechanical pencils. I bought this card for no reason, but I bought it. I'm going to save it for my brother's birthday. And it says, a little birdie told me it was your birthday. Hooray! And then it says, look, it says, it also pooped on my head, but I'm assuming that's purely coincidental. Happy birthday. I don't know. I just thought he'd get a kick out of it. And the last of it is the Easter signs. I've seen several people haul these, but I had to have them. They're so cute. So I have this one. It says hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. And it also has this one, which I think is so cute. I'm going to hang this one outside. on by my front door, but so cute, so glittery. These are so glittery. I'm like loving these Easter signs. Yeah, so that's my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Come on, hit that subscribe button. And if you had a great Dollar Tree haul, comment down below. I hope you're doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.